How to make passive income in 2025. Earn money while you sleep. Want to earn money while you sleep? Not a dream, this is real. Passive income in 2025 is smarter, faster, and more possible than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to build income streams that work for you even when you're not working. Let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income means making money with little to no ongoing effort after the initial work is done. Think of it like creating a system once that keeps generating income for you, like YouTube videos, eBooks, or affiliate links. Faceless YouTube channels. You don't have to show your face to make money on YouTube. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and CapCut to create videos, publish them, let the algorithm do its magic, and start earning from ads and affiliate links. Affiliate marketing means promote other people's products and earn commission. Join platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share your affiliate links in videos, blogs, or social posts. Sell digital products. Design templates, planners, or ebooks and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Create them once and sell forever. Use Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube to drive traffic to you. Online courses. If you can teach something, do it. Package your knowledge into a course on Teachable or Thinkific. Record once and let it generate sales for months or even years. Print on demand. Want to sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters? Use Redbubble or Printful. Upload your designs, they handle the printing, shipping, and fulfillment. You just earn money. Top tools. AI tools make it easy. Use ChatGPT for content, Pictory or CapCut for videos, ElevenLabs for voice, Canva for design, and VidIQ or TubeBuddy for YouTube growth. Use Ubersuggest to find trending topics and keywords. Online course platforms light up with course outlines and progress bars, offering a glimpse into the structure of digital learning. Package your knowledge into a course and sell it on platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. Record it once and keep earning. Highlighting the potential for passive income. Design merch or artwork and sell it through print on demand. Sites like Printful handle printing and shipping, you just upload and profit. How to start? Pick one stream. Just one. Use these tools to start creating. Stay consistent. Show up daily. Publish weekly. And reinvest your time to scale it. Passive income is like a snowball, it gets bigger as you keep pushing. 2025 is the year to take action. Subscribe if you're ready to build your passive income empire, and let's grow together. See you in. Please like and subscribe.